guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Tamika. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, thrifting, and a whole bunch of DIYs. So if that's up your alley, please go ahead and press that subscribe button and also press that notification bell so whenever time I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. So in today's video, I'm making over my living room. And not only am I making over my living room, I am challenging myself to only use thrifted items for my decor. Now, I maybe did 98% of that, but majority of my decor items were from the thrift store. In my previous video, I did show you guys how I revamped some of my vases, which I also used in this makeover, but I also went back to the thrift store and I got some more items, and you'll be able to see them as well in this makeover. So let's see how I transform my living room from this to this. So let's get started, guys. Thank you again so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. You have yourself a wonderful day. So this is how my living room currently looks before I start doing my makeover. It is not bad at all, but it's just not where I want it to be. So let's get started on this makeover. Moving these furniture to the center of the living room was a pain. It was so hard, but I did not give up. I went ahead and I put everything to the center of the living room. But the sad part of it is, once my hubby came home, he was like, these need to come out of the living room if we have to paint the ceiling, because we decided we have to paint the ceiling. So all my work went to waste. All that struggle that I put up went to waste, but that's fine. I love the outcome, so I'll do it again. Okay guys, so here's my final results and I'm so in love with this transformation. But before I go any further, I just want to give a shout out to my hubby because he came on board and we did this as a team. So thank you again, babe. I love you. But in my intro, I did stated that most of my decor pieces were from the thrift store. So all the items, or 98% of the items on my console table, coffee table, and my entryway table, they were all DIYs and thrifted items that I revamped. So guys, you could definitely get the luxurious look on a budget with thrifted items. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye guys.